Heavy rainfall in Rajouri and Poonch had triggered a massive flash flood, and due to the massive flash flood, there has been a massive damage in the Rajouri area. I am in Rajouri's bus stand. This is not any dumping yard, but you can clearly see how these many of the vehicles have been burned under the debris, and there has been a massive damage to the properties of the people over here. What we are learning is that many of the vehicles have been swept in the river, but there are many vehicles which have been burned under the debris, and many of them are being damaged due to this flash flood. What we are also learning is that in the Poonch district there has been a massive flash flood. 8 people have been died in the Surankot area. There has been many rescue operations in Jammu and Kashmir, including in Jammu Tavi River, also in the Poonch and the Surankot area. Police has advised to the people not to come close to the low-lying areas, but these visuals clearly shows that how massive damage have been triggered in this particular area. I am in the bus stand area of the district Rajouri, and you can see the level of devastation in this particular area. The mud has clearly entered the shops of the people over here. There are many houses which have been damaged due to the flash flood. What we are also learning is that the meteorological department has issued the advisory regarding the flash flood. What we are also learning is that in Poonch area there has been a casualty which have been reported. 10 of the people have been died due to this flash flood. Jammu Kashmir LG and the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir is monitoring the whole situation regarding the flash flood. In Kishtwar area there has been a cloudburst which has been reported. Fortunately, no of the loss of life and the damage to any property has been reported. But yes, on your TV screens, these are the visuals of the Rajouri bus stand. The heavy rainfall has started in the wee hours and which triggered to the flash flood in this particular area. You can see how people are now trying to clear the mud from their shops, from their homes. And there has been a massive destruction. The LG Manoj Sinha and Jammu Kashmir's Chief Minister has spoken to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. You can clearly see this was the main road of the bus stand, and it has been clearly been blocked. It has been clearly cracked. We will try to talk to the people over here, but these visuals clearly show how massive flash flood has triggered this particular area. Sir, यहाँ पे आपकी दुकानें थी?
यहाँ पे हमारा एक रेस्टोरेंट था।
अच्छा।
उसके अंदर सोए हुए थे लड़के।
हाँ।
2 लड़के थे सोए हुए। जब उनके नीचे पानी आया तो जैसे उन्होंने खड़े हुए उन्होंने देखा कि 2.5 फुट 3 फुट पानी हो गया। उन्होंने निकलना शुरू कर दिया। निकल के वो भाग गए और हमारा वो ट्रक है।
ये तो पूरा ऐसे लग रहा है कि जैसे पूरी तबाही
पूरे ना ऐसे क्राउड ब्रेस्ट ना 92 में हुआ था। 1992 में।
उसके बाद आप
हाँ, अब दिख।
सो दीज आर द पीपल फ्रॉम द रजौरी। सर, काफी नुकसान है?
जी सर, हाँ, कम से कम सर लगभग 500 तक व्हीकल जो वो जो बैगी हैं, प्लस जो लोगों का बिल्डिंग का नुकसान हुआ जो गिरी हैं, लोगों की शॉप रेडीमेड शॉप हैं, अच्छा वो सब गिर गया है।
So look at these visuals. The Jammu and Kashmir police is on the ground. They have clearly said to the locals over here, don't come to the low-lying areas and near the river. Let me show you the water level of the Manovar river. You can clearly see how the water current over here and the flow of water has been rapidly increasing, and this was the area, and how Manovar river and the flash flood water has made their path and entered in this particular area, which triggered a massive damage to this bus stand. You can see the vehicle over here which has been clearly damaged due to the flash flood. What we are also learning is Jammu Kashmir police has been moving over here, and they are clearly saying to the people not to come close to this particular area. MET means Meteorological Department has also issued the advisory for upcoming 2 days for the massive heavy rainfall in Jammu and Kashmir. LG Manoj Sinha and Jammu Kashmir's Chief Minister Umar Abdullah is continuously monitoring the situation regarding the flash flood and the damage which have been occurred due to the flash flood in the different districts of Jammu and Kashmir. And this is Manohar River which flows in the Rajouri district. You can see how the water is being currently leveling high. But this clearly shows that when the flash flood comes over here, the river, the water makes its way and it damages the entire bus stand area of district Rajouri. In Poonch, 10 people have been died due to the flash flood. What we are also learning is that there has been a massive damage to the public property. We will try to show you the visuals over here. This was the slum area over here. There were many people who came from outside Jammu and Kashmir for the work as a labor. They were living in the Rajouri area for many years, but due to the flash flood, how the level of devastation has triggered in this particular area, we will try to show you. According to these people, there were almost 100 of the kacha makans which they say they are totally been devastated, totally been washed away due to the flood water. You can clearly see the people are now on the roads. We will try to talk to these people, but this clearly shows that the level of devastation due to the flash flood in this particular area. You can see this is the Manohar River which is flowing in this particular area, and on the low lying areas of this Manohar River, you can see many of the houses has been totally damaged, totally collapsed and caved in. This clearly shows that the level of devastation in this particular area. We will try to speak to the people over here. जनाब कितने साल से आप यहाँ रह रहे थे?
6-7 साल से।
क्या काम करते हैं?
कुछ सामान बेचते हैं, कुछ बराठी बेचते हैं, कपड़ा बेचते हैं। 30-25 साल हो गए यहाँ। ये सामान बेचते हैं, रेडी का सामान काम करते हैं।
कभी इस तरीके की हुआ है? कभी कुछ है?
कभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, ये पहली बार आज।
छोटा बच्चा लेके आप कितने समय से रह रहे हो?
हमें हो गए हैं ये 4 साल तो हो गए।
4 साल।
हाँ,
इसी इलाके में?
इसी लगा।
कितनी झोपड़पट्टियाँ थी?
नहीं, हमने तो इधर रहते नहीं, हम 10 नंबर।
यहाँ पे कम से कम 50 घर हैं।
50
हाँ, 50 से ऊपर।
50 से ऊपर है, कम से कम 70 घर हैं यहाँ पे।
सारे घर तबाह हो गए?
सब तबाह, सब।
हाँ, सारे ही देखो ना, सारे
पूरे टेंट थे। ये पूरा प्लान हो गया इलाका। वहाँ पे एक लेडी थी, वो भी डूब गई, उसकी डेथ हो गई है। एक लेडी की डेथ हो गई है। वहाँ पे भी जितने भी घर थे सब प्लान हो गए, ऊपर से इनके मलबा चढ़ गया दरिया का।
आप एनजीओ से?
जी सर।
कितने टाइम से काम कर रही हैं?
सर हम पिछले 7 साल से काम कर रहे हैं।
ये पहली बार ऐसी तो
नहीं सर, ये बड़ा दुखद से कहना पड़ रहा है कि दूसरी बार हुई है। 2014 में पहले भी हुई थी और उस टाइम भी यही तबाही हुई थी। यही जो लोग बेचारे आपके सामने खड़े हैं, इनके घर उजड़े थे। और ये एक जो बंदा जब घर बनाता है ना, उसका पूरा सपना होता है उस घर को बनाने में, उस घर को जो है आबाद करने में, मगर उसके बच्चों के सामने जब वो घर टूटता है तो आप समझिए कितने दुखद की घड़ी होती है। और आज हम इनके साथ खड़े हैं। और मैं एक जो है हमारी जो सेंटर की सरकार है और जो यहाँ की सरकार है, मैं उनसे भी एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि पिछले 50 साल से यहाँ रह रहे, एटलीस्ट इनका कोई अल्टरनेट निकालना चाहिए। क्योंकि मैं आपको एक बताऊं, दरिया कभी अपना रास्ता नहीं भूलता है। 2014 में भी दरिया ने कभी अपना रास्ता नहीं भूला था और आज भी आप देखिए ये साबित हो गया कि दरिया कभी अपना रास्ता नहीं भूलता है। ठीक है, आज हम इनको रेस्क्यू कर रहे हैं, अभी हम इनको यहाँ से भेज रहे हैं, मगर वो सिर्फ 4 और 5 दिन के लिए। उसके बाद इनकी कोई ना कोई परमानेंट इनका समाधान होना चाहिए, मैं ये कहूँगा।
You can clearly listen to the people over here. There were almost 50 to 100 temporary houses which have totally washed away due to the flood water. You can clearly see the level of devastation over here. There are many houses which are cracked, which are caved in, and this clearly shows that the level of devastation due to the flash flood in the Rajouri. I'm in the house of Gulnashad Begum, who lives in Rajouri. Due to the heavy rainfall which triggered the flash flood in the Rajouri district, how the level of devastation took place in Rajouri is different areas. We will try to show you and try to explain you. Look at the level of devastation in the Rajouri area due to the flash flood. One of the portion has been totally collapsed. You can clearly see the rooftop of this room has been totally damaged. We will try to show you another visuals of the devastation, the damage in the house. Look at this area. It has totally been collapsed due to the flash flood. The water suddenly rise in this particular area. You can clearly see the debris over here which has entered their house, and the level of devastation clearly shows that how these people are now in the tents are very angry. We will try to show you another room over here. Look at this house. The level of water has been raised continuously, and this is river Manovar, and the flow of water is suddenly has rised in this particular area, and you can see the slum area from this particular point where many of the temporary houses has been washed away. But I am in this particular house. You can clearly see the people are very tense. The people are in angry due to the flash flood and the natural disaster which took place. We will try to talk to the owner over here, but these are the visuals from the Rajouri. We will talk to the owner of this house. काफ़ी दुख है ये देखते हुए कि क्या हो गया.
बहुत ज़्यादा सर, बहुत. मेरा तो बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज हो गया ना, पूरा मकान डैमेज हो गया. अब कुछ अच्छे से जहन काम नहीं कर रहा. क्या बात करूं आपसे. हो गया, अचानक से हो गया ना. हमें सोचा भी नहीं था कि इतना पानी आएगा. मेरी शादी को 30 साल हो गए, लेकिन इतना कभी भी नहीं हुआ,
कभी नहीं देखा.
और हमारा मकान अच्छा खासा मजबूत बना हुआ था, पुराना मकान था. तो हो गया अचानक. फिर पानी को अब बहाव जब हमने देखा ना, तो हमने कुछ भी नहीं निकाला, होश ही नहीं थी. तो अपनी जान बचा के पीछे गए छत पे. बस जैसे छत पे गए ना, तो हम उधर ही थे, हमारे सामने मकान में हमारा जा रहा था पानी में. तो फिर क्या ही बचाते, क्या करते. अब हमारे पास कोई इतना आसरा भी नहीं है कि कहीं कोई टेंट लगा के रहें, ना कोई इतना सोर्स ऑफ इनकम है. तो परेशान है, क्या कर.
ये तो काफ़ी नुकसान है
जी. एक इंसान की पूरी ज़िंदगी लगती है एक आशियाना बनाने में. अपना एक गरीब आदमी अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी की जमा पूंजी लगाकर अपना घर बनाता है, और लास्ट में ये हम किसी को दोष नहीं दे सकते हैं. ये एक नेचुरल डिसास्टर था, लेकिन ये है कि हम अपनी गवर्नमेंट से, अपनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से ये तवक्को रखते हैं कि जिनका ये करोड़ों अरबों का नुकसान हो गया, ये कोई नॉर्मल बात नहीं है. एक आदमी का आप ये दिखा दिया आपने कि कितना नुकसान हुआ है. यहाँ पे एक पूरी बिल्डिंग डैमेज हो गई है. जिन बंदों की कोई सोर्स ऑफ इनकम नहीं है, कोई रहन सहन नहीं है, जिनका कोई ठिकाना नहीं है, तो हम अपनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को ये एक मैसेज देना चाहते हैं, एक डीसी साहब से और एक एमएलए साहब को, कि इन अपने बंदों के लिए कुछ अपना इंतज़ाम किया जाए. रहने के लिए उनके खाने पीने का कोई इंतज़ाम किया जाए, उनको साइड पे कहीं शिफ्ट किया जाए सेफली जगह पे, और उनका जो सामान है वो यहाँ से शिफ्ट करवाया जाए. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो कोई ना कोई बेहतर इसका हल निकालेंगे. हम उनको कोई दोष नहीं दे रहे हैं, ये एक नेचुरल डिसास्टर है, लेकिन हम उनसे उम्मीद तो कर सकते हैं. अब हमारी दौड़ तो उन्हीं तक है, हम किससे कहें, हम किससे डायरेक्ट तो बात कर नहीं सकते. आपके ज़रिए से हम ये उन तक अपना पैगाम पहुंचाना चाहते हैं कि आप प्लीज़ आएँ और हमारी मदद कीजिए.
So these people are appealing to the government that some relief should be given to them, because their houses has been collapsed. Some of the portions of many houses has been collapsed. This is one of the house in the Rajouri area, which you can clearly see the level of the devastation. Let me show you once again the level of devastation in this particular house. Look at this. One of the portion of this house has totally collapsed. कितने साल से आप देख रहे हैं ये सब? और
तकरीबन 30 साल से रह रहे हैं सर हम यहाँ। 30 साल से पहले आज तक कुछ भी मतलब ऐसा जो
कभी भी नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, कैसा कुछ नहीं, पहली बार ही हुआ ये। 30 साल में पहली बार ही मतलब जो ये हमने देखा है, जो ये चीज़ हुई है। लेकिन 30 साल से पहले आज तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है सारा।
So these people are saying that we are living in this area from last 30 years. We have never seen these types of natural disaster. But today it's very shocking for us. We are very angry. We are very tense because our house has been collapsed due to the flash flood. With video journalist Amit Bharadwaj, this is Ankit Bhatt for Times Now.